Hello, everyone. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, and I appreciate you guys logging online independently and working on the activities today. So, I want to give you a quick rundown of what everything looks like. By the way, don't have me forget that on Wednesday, I have some very exciting news about the candy corn and peanuts. I cannot wait to share that to you on Wednesday. Also, go Chicago Bears. So, today you can see in the agenda, there's a warm up. There's some notes that'll be taking place, and there's a practice problem, and then there's a Desmos activity. So I want you to follow along. So today's goal is I can decide if a relationship represented by a table can be proportional and when it is definitely not proportional. So today we're trying to look at a table and say, this table is proportional and this is not, based off the practices we're working on. So the first piece here you're going to start with is a warm-up. Okay, so you're going to look at these figures here, and they give you figure 2 and they give you figure 4. And the question is, what does the first figure and the third figure do you think looks like? So draw that out in your notebook today and picture what that would be, as well as describe the 10th figure in this pattern as well. As we continue on, you're going to start taking notes on today's lesson, which is once again is determining whether a table is proportional or not. So in this situation here, we're going to look at Hans running and we're going to look at Claire's running. We're going to see, are they running at a constant rate? So you'll have a video posted in a moment that'll share whether they are or not. So that we'll be taking notes on together. As we move on, here's some independent practice for you. So it says that the entrance to the Rocky Mountain National Park costs $6 per vehicle plus $2 per person. So knowing that it costs $6 per vehicle and $2 per person, what do you think our total entrance cost would be for 2 people, 4 people, and 10 people? There's a couple follow-up questions here that deal with this activity. As we move on, I do have this extra piece of video here. Maybe you're struggling a little bit today still. Just another example on how to find things proportional in a table. Lastly, this is broken down. This is in Schoology, but this is the Google slide that you're currently watching right now. So as long as you've taken notes, you've done task 1. Task 2 is dealing with proportional relationships. So this is a Desmos activity you'll click on. And if you have time at the end, task 3 would be great to practice our IXL. And then I noticed some of you are missing assignments or they're not completed. So just checking your grades on Schoology, I think would be a great thing to do at this time to make sure that you're all caught up. That is what today's activities look like. Let me know if you have any questions by email. Other than that, though, I really appreciate you guys being here. You guys are awesome. Hopefully, there'll be no issues. But if there is, please let me know. Thank you so much for your guys' time. See ya.